Do you have the stubborn belly fat that just refuses to go away? I'm gonna give you a few steps that you can take right now in order to help you get this abs, those abs and great core strength. If this is your first time, remember to subscribe right now. Stubborn fat, usually referred as visceral fat. This is a very dangerous fat because it's a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other conditions. Through losing fat from this area can be difficult. There are several things you can do to reduce excess abdominal fat. Don't drink too much alcohol. Alcohol can have health benefits in small amounts, but is seriously harmful if you drink too much. Cutting back on alcohol may help reduce your waist size. You don't need to give it up altogether, but limiting the amount you drink in a single day can help. Don't eat a lot of sugary foods. Sugar contains fructose, which has been linked to several chronic diseases when consumed in excess. This includes heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and fatty liver disease. Another thing that I would like you to consider, try intermittent fasting. This has been very popular lately, but this is one of the very secure and it's just pretty good for your health. And especially the 16.8 method. This is insanely good. You eat during 8 hours and you fast for 16 hours. Your body will be happy with you, trust me. I've been doing it. I've lost more than 40 pounds in 3 months. Intermittent fasting has recently become very popular for weight loss. It's an eating pattern that cycles between periods of eating and periods of fasting. If you do it, trust me, you will have a lot of results in short term. But in long term, try the 16.8 and do some exercises. For example, aerobic exercises, cardio is an effective way to improve your health and burn calories. Studies have shown that it's one of the most effective forms of exercise for reducing belly fat. However, results are mixed as to whether moderate intensity or high intensity exercise is more beneficial to your health. And the last but not the least, perform resistance training. It means lift weight. Yes, you have to lift weight in order to build muscles. The more muscle you build, the more calories you will burn on a daily basis. Resistance training, also known as weightlifting or strength training, is important for preserving and gaining muscles mass. Because again, the more muscles you have, the more calories you will burn. Get plenty of sleep. Another big thing that you need. Sleep is important for many aspects of your health, including weight. If you sleep good, you will recover better. Your muscles, your health, everything in your life will be recovered. This is why you need to sleep great. If this is your first time, remember to subscribe right now. Those videos coming up right now, you can do at home and at the gym in order to reduce your belly fat. And overall health will be improved. I'll see you on the next one.